The National Cohesion and Integration Commission has launched a roadmap to ensure the 2022 general polls are peaceful. The 3-month segmented campaign to sensitize the public against election violence has been backed by the Interior Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who, however, warned that ethnic balkanization had moved to social media. Kenya has, in the recent past, witnessed fierce wars among communities due to contested election results.
I'm concerned about the abuse and misuse of social media in the country and the ground it's setting for divisive mobilization and negative mobilization. These are the things that we need to look out for, and Mr. Chairman, I'm going to ask you to work with the Communications Authority of Kenya on this particular matter. We have to look at this.
This is our country. We must fight to ensure, not fight visible, fight from our brains to ensure that this country remains peaceful.
Those individuals who are involved in hate speech, ethnic contempt, incitement to violence, they will be named in this wall of shame, and get this known to all Kenyans so that they will not be eligible for election.
And that is where we leave it on KTN Prime. Thank you so much for watching. I am Linda Ogutu, hoping that that letter to the president gets to the president. Good night.